If you are a non-Arsenal wife and girlfriend, come closer. We are making this very delicious chicken vegetable curry this weekend, and we are getting everything the wives and girlfriends of Arsenal fans are getting. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we'll be making this nice vegetable curry, and these are the vegetables I'll be using. I'll have a list of them in the description. Feel free to go in there, and I'll also make sure I name what I'm adding and when I do, okay? But just a summary: we have corn, we have peas and carrots, we have broccoli, we have the 4 colors of the bell pepper, we have green beans, we have onion. Bell pepper means spring onion, and then the chicken, of course, okay? So let's get right into it. The first thing I did is just to add the marinated chicken into the pot. Marinate the chicken with any ingredients of choice. I use like ginger, garlic, seasoning, salt, and some thyme, and a little bit of curry. And I didn't add oil because I'm using the chicken thighs and the skin has oil already. It's fatty, so I'm going to get a lot of oil from that. So that's what we're going to use for this meal. No oil added. Just put in your chicken and stir fry, okay? Now this is all the oil coming out from the chicken. That's what I was just saying. So now that chicken is all done, if you want it brown, go ahead. This is exactly how I want mine. So here I added the onion, habanero pepper, ginger and garlic mix. Put that in there and stir it well. Allow that to cook for like a minute or two. And then the next thing we'll be adding is in the vegetables, right? Now the vegetables, you don't want to cook them for long. So from this point, the pot is going to be open and we're just going to keep adding vegetables and stir frying them according to how tough they are, right? So I added in the carrots and peas first, and then stir fry them a bit, add in the green beans. Then I stir fry them a bit, add in your broccoli. Now I seasoned at this point. I just added a little seasoning because I'm still gonna use like soy sauce and oyster flavored sauce and all that at the end. So I didn't want to overpower the food with seasoning, so I just added a little bit of seasoning at this point, and just seasoning, no salt. So at this point, I just added in all the 4 colors, red, green, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Stir fry a bit, give it a very good turn, a very good mix everything well, and then add your onion. Now, you know how onion can cook very fast. So at this point, we're already rounding up. Like I said, this food is very fast. You can get it done in once your chicken is ready, you can get it done in less than 30 minutes, and food is ready. I love how colorful this food is. Let me know all the colors you can see in this food. Just list them in the comments. Tell me every color you can see, okay? So here I'm just, trying to do a mix of the sauces I'll be using. The first one is the dark soy sauce. This is the oyster flavored sauce I'm adding right now. And then once that is in, I'll go in with my toasted sesame seed oil. Now for the toasted sesame oil, I'm just adding a little bit of that just for the flavor. I'm not adding a lot. And then sweet chili sauce for that extra sweetness and hotness too. So add that. If you have the sauces, that's okay. If not, use any sauce you have, or you can even go ahead without the sauces, alright? Totally fine. Just try to build flavor with the natural ingredients you are using. So I just mixed that with water, and then added cornstarch to make like a slurry, and that's what I'm going to use to thicken the sauce, okay? So just add that in, stir it a bit, and then cover. Now at this point, we want to cover the pot just so that the sauce can thicken. And once that is done, food is literally done. We're just going to top off with more vegetables, and then our food will be ready. So now, as you can see, we have a very good consistency here. If this is not the consistency you're looking for, or you don't get that yet, you can always add more water to loosen it up, or add more slurry, to thicken it up, okay? Now I'm just finishing off here with some green cabbage and then spring onion. That's the last thing I'm adding, and food is ready, guys. You see how this is very easy, it's very quick, and it's highly nutritious. You have just vegetables and chicken in there. Make sure that you are making this weekend, and then ask your non-Arsenal partner for anything. If they don't give it to you, come back to this comment section and ask me. and I'm gonna give you. Anyway, food is ready, like I said, and here I'm just serving it with white rice. You can serve it with potatoes, and you can even serve it just like that. Like, it's just chicken and vegetables, right? You can just eat it like that. It's fine. Anyway, this is what I have today for you guys. Let me know if you tried this weekend, or you might my non-Arsenal wives and girlfriends. I made this weekend, and I hope you try it, okay? Thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye. Please subscribe and share, comment and like, okay? Bye.